Alright, welcome to Dale Kramer's Custom Cars and Anything. Well, today I put the hood on it. Looks pretty good, huh? Did body work on the hood. There's a big dent that was right here, and I thought I did a good job on everything, and then I looked and I forgot that little dent right there. So that's a little disgusting, but yeah, it works good. Goes up and down. There's our hemi. So yeah, so anyway, Mom came over today and helped me set it on there and stuff, and she was a good help. Put the bolts in it while I held it. A little bummed about that little dent I forgot to fix. Oh well. And then it's got tiger striping in it from the Rust-Oleum flat black. I primed it and everything with epoxy and all that stuff, so. And the hood scoop's got a crack in it and stuff, so. Yeah. And then the 4-speed, I got everything all mounted in there. It's just, I got to figure out what I'm going to do about a shifter situation. On the previous video, you'll see that I have shifter issues. But, yeah, so now the next thing I'm going to work on is the rear end. I'm going to hook up all the brake lines and I'm going to put the calipers back on. And so I got a pile of parts here. Got the front calipers, I got the rear calipers. So the car will have 4-wheel disc brakes. I ordered a braided fuel line. I ordered a braided throttle cable for the pedal, then I can put that in. Using my fastener brake line clamps for the rear end. The old drag racing trick, you know. Wrap a rubber hose around the brake line, and then you clamp it to the rear end with them. Works all well. Stainless steel. They hold forever. Traction bars, I'm going to clean them up and throw them under the car. They really don't do nothing, but yeah, it's just kind of an 80s thing, you know. And I just got, yeah, I don't know. I'm thinking in the dents, smear some Bondo in there, sand it down kind of flat, and drive this thing around in epoxy primer with a flat black wood. Because I'm just too scared to paint it. I'm not an expert. But I don't know. I just don't know. I don't know what I'll do. I got all the new panels. All the new panels are welded in, and then when I stripped the car to bare metal before I epoxied it, then I found more dents and stuff, and then time I realized that I was too far where I should have put new quarters on it. I should have. But hey, whatever, you know. You win a few, lose a few. So, but, so I don't know. I'd like to jam it all green like I did underneath the hood here. Because I like to, I did a good job on the bodywork on this thing, but forgot that, I guess. But, well, yeah, I mean, I'm painting parts, kind of putting it back together, you know. Gotta buy a set of headers yet. Oh, it's been a heck of a day. I gotta buy a set of headers yet for it, but I like to jam it all like this, that way it's just the outside of the body. I want to even jam the inside of these, I got a little bit of primer overspray. I sanded this all down to bare metal. Oh my God, guys. Everything on this car has been down to bare metal except for the doors yet. I have to still work on the doors. But again, like you see, jam it all. Jam this right away, So basically, when a guy gets to paint the car, it's just tape up all the glass, because all that would be back in it. That way I can still drive it. Right now there's insurance on it, brand new plates, tabs. It's in my name. I got the title back even. Yeah, she's actually legal right now. There's insurance on her. But that's what I think I'm gonna do. I'm gonna strip down the doors yet, the bare metal. I think I'm gonna do that in the next few days. Then that way, the deck wood's been stripped down, So, yeah. Epoxy them doors up quick. Then I'll drive it and I'll do body work on it as I drive it. You know what I mean? So the goal will be to get those doors stripped down, get this all jammed, everything, get the windows all jammed, get the door jams done, underneath the deck lid, in the deck lid, whatever, the fenders, and then bolt it all together, drive it, and then a weekend do a quarter panel, and then the door and the fender, and everything's all rust free, everything's all new panels welded in and everything. So yeah, I think that's what we're gonna do. Boy, it'd be nice to get this thing all jammed before Christmas and get all the panels bolted on it and start putting it together. I might cut that center out to make that scoop so it works. But I'm gonna wait with that. But yeah, let's do that. That sounds like a game plan. God, I thought I had that hood done. Now I gotta do this. Can't believe I missed that. That's how dumb I can be. Well, I think she looks okay. I think she looks just fine. I wonder what that's gonna be like driving down the road looking at that scoop. I gotta put something on there though, like hemi or screw off or hammer time or something. I don't know, whatever. What does that look like in here? Driving. Yeah, that would be kind of neat. God, I can't wait to shift this thing. The 373s and a stick, that's gonna be. God, I bet this thing's gonna be fun. Yeah, if I can get this all jammed behind here, green, and up in here, and the door jams, get them all painted green. Got a lot of work to do here though. Glass isn't right. I need glass yet for these. It's got the wrong glass in it. I suppose the tracks are different too, I bet, huh? Probably got a little curve to them too. Because early 74 it was still the square glass. And then late 74 it was the Duster glass. And these are the early 74 doors. So they got street glass. Glass rolls up and down nice and everything in them, but it's the wrong glass. I don't know if the curved glass is a Duster. If you could take your hand, go straight up, you know, the rough goes in so the glass is curved, you know. So probably the tracks are probably different. I probably got the worst bet is driving on sunny days. Windows be down all the time. No, I don't want to do that. I think that's what we're going to aim for. We're going to jam it all, getting the line bolted on properly. And then when it comes time to paint it, all we do is tape up all the glass, tape up the jams, take off the side marker lights and the bumpers and the tail lights and the grill, and go. And then bolt it back together and just be done with it. Yeah, that way I can keep going on it. It's been a heck of a day today. Yeah, I like that idea. God, I just can't wait to drive this thing. I honestly cannot wait. Man, that's going to be so fun. Hopefully I live that long. Some days I just feel like shit. But anyway, please like and subscribe, guys. If you can to the channel. I really need subscribers. So if we could, that'd be awesome. And I sure would appreciate it. Should be building a fish house right about now, showing you guys how to do all that. Take a pop-up camper, I can make the wheels go up and down. Pretty interesting, ain't it? But anyway, I'm working on this. Yeah, so you guys take care. Please subscribe if you can, and have a wonderful day. And have a good weekend. Bye-bye.